Folks, John from OptixEQ again. I want to talk another quick tip on OptixROD, our new product. There's a new feature called alerts, and alerts really are just kind of handicapping information, angle, summary information. And here's an area where we're going to be adding a lot new alerts over the next year. We've got about another 15 coming this year into next year. So there's an area there's going to be a lot of expansion over time. And if what you see is a number and then like in brackets a code, I'm going to blow it up a little bit more for you here so we can see it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so, and when you hover over it, you'll see actual explanation. So the first thing is a number, it's 1. That tells you the number of alerts this horse has. Could be 1, 2, up to whatever we get to. And so it's 1 alert and then the 3 LO, and the 3 LO means third start after 45-day layoff. So this is kind of a simple one. I'm going to scroll down to horse here, number 3. He's got 3 alerts. TG30, improved trip grade over the last 30 days. He's had green keywords in third race back and third start after 45-day layoff. So you can get the idea. Again, we're going to be really expanding this area. We see this as an area that we want to really kind of grow, because there's just so much you can do with this information in terms of actually using it as a tool to handicap. I'll just give you a simple example. In this case, let's look. If I want to look at every horse that's running today that is coming off third off a layoff, which is typically a good kind of sign, right? Horses usually peak performance third off a layoff. I don't have to do anything but just say 3 LO. And let's say if I want to just look at horses that are greater than or equal to 5-1, that coming off third off a layoff, and maybe that are in quadrant 1 because that's a favorable quadrant, and are maybe squares or more small circles. You get the idea. You could just do a lot, and you got this condensed list you can kind of go after. So you could think about when the possibilities, when the alerts, like when we add more and more alerts of what you can do, it's really becomes a really powerful handicapping platform and tool. So hopefully that's information on alerts and more as we roll this out.